Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Queen Bouncelia. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Chamataki and Tamataki. Wow, what's this, guys? This is Tall Victor.
I will cleanse this world by destroying all meat, starting with you, filthy meat creature!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Banban.
Excuse me? Are you a real doctor?
Of course, I'm a certified cosmetic surgeon.
What? I want to fix my teeth, not my face.
I can't hear ya. Okay, the process will take a few days. Enjoy.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nabnab.
All right, mister. Be still or be dead.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Chief Pigstar. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Captain Fidels.
Banban obeyed us to chase him. Poor guy. We already were on our evil character. Of course, that was his end. Every monster had to assert his business. Sadly, he was...
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Hunky Jake guys.
If your job was to kill people, you'd probably get fired.
How dare!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Smiley Miley guys. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Jumbo Joes. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nibbler.
Hey, don't touch that. As I was saying...
I work out since I was born. Be strong like me brothers. Don't be a weak man. Work out, do thousands push-ups, and don't be scared of anyone, and don't be rude.
I said do not touch that!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Blue Rainbow Friend. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Noodle Ninja. Wow, what's this, guys? This is the Germ, Stinky Joel. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Captain Fidels.
Don't you look at me like that. God damn it! Ah! He's lucky I don't kill him. I hate birds. Come on!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Red Rainbow Friend.
Damn it, Dad! You guys! I'm sorry! You're grounded, nutty boy! Back to normal!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Dr. Fluffy Pant.
Wait, let me explain it!
Come back tomorrow! This isn't happening!
You won't have a heart by chance, right?
He's getting closer!
I'm afraid he has lost his own, you know.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Hunter Tim.
What are you doing? Oh, something evil again, huh?
You guessed right, Doc.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Green Rainbow Friend. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Sharif Toaster.
Help me, I'm to die!
You are overreacting.
Look, there's something I want to show you.
Huh? I know what you are feeling.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, Orange Rainbow Friend.
Forever. There's no way it's faster than me. I'll just zoom on by. No! What even am I?
You're stronger!
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Tarta Bird.
Mommy, save me! Let's run him!
Come here!
We made it!
This is from Mommy! How much I miss you!
Oh. Jesus!
That's the biggest Mr. Flea!
Are you ready to?
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Nasty Knack. Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Banbalina.
I'm starting to like you.
Wow, what's this, guys? Wow, this is Opilla Bird.
What is that weird? Oh no! We need to run! I'm gonna bring back my fighting version! Yeah!
Ouch!